Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you on how to install and use Mouseposé on macOS to highlight your cursor while screen recording with OBS Studio. This tool is incredibly helpful, especially when you're creating tutorials or presenting content on screen. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Mouseposé website. Once there, click on the Download Free Trial button to download the installation file. After the download is complete, extract the file and you'll see mousepose.app. Drag this file into the Applications folder and the installation is complete. Now, we'll configure the software with a few essential settings. Upon launching Mouseposé for the first time, it will ask for two permissions: accessibility and input monitoring. To grant accessibility access, click the plus button in the accessibility settings, enter your Mac's password, and locate mousepose.app in the Applications folder. For input monitoring, simply toggle the switch to green. Click Quit and Reopen to restart the app and apply the changes. At this point, Mouseposé's settings window will appear, allowing you to configure it. The most important setting is Activation, located in the first tab. Here, you can assign a shortcut key to activate the highlight effect. Click on Record Shortcut and press the key combination you want to use. For example, I will assign the key combination CMD and the backtick. The Deactivate After setting determines how long the highlight effect remains visible. Setting it to 1 second seems reasonable. Now, whenever I press this shortcut, the highlight effect will appear. Under the Options section, you can adjust various aspects of the highlight effect, such as width, opacity, and intensity. Feel free to explore and customize these settings to your preference. And that's how you install and use Mouseposé on macOS to highlight your cursor while recording with OBS Studio. Keep in mind that Mouseposé is a paid tool. In the free trial version we just installed, the highlight effect will include a watermark. If you find it useful, you can support the developers by purchasing a license for $10 per year. Once the payment is complete, you will receive a link via email. Click on that link, and the software will automatically activate the license. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.